Hi guys, aalis kami. Hinihintay ko lang si Mister. Oh, dito siya. Mister? Come on, Mister. Mister Copido. We're going to Home Depot or Lowe's, whatever. Right, Monkey? Andito tayo sa mga farm side ng New York, upstate. Farm side. So, ang langit, sobrang itim, and then, palagi na lang yung hangin. Ang lakas ng hangin. Yes, and then, we're using the old car. Tignan nyo naman yan. Look, ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Oh. Oh. May maganda pang bahay dito next. Maraming bahay, kabahay-bahayan. Maganda. Maganda yung mga bahay-bahay dito talaga, oh. Tignan nyo naman yung mga bahay-bahay. Sa ibabaw, guys, marami din, guys. Doon, ang lalaki ng mga bahay doon, oh, sa ibabaw. Oh. Look. It looks like in animals. Yeah. And, nagtingin kami dyan ni Lloydie noon. Alam nyo ba kung magkaano yung mga bahay doon? Ang mahal, alam nyo ba kung magkaano yung mga bahay? 500,000, over 500,000. Ang mahal, guys, ng bahay. Ito din, guys, oh, mga bahay ng mga farmer. Ito yung mga bahay ng mga farmer, guys. Ang gaganda. Look. Kakaiba yung mga farmers dito, guys, kasi ang mga bahay magaganda. You know, may mga pera. Ito dito, oh. Ang binta nito is apple at saka zucchini. Nagbinta sila ng mga gulay, mga pie. Look, ang laki ng bahay, guys. Malaki yan, guys. Maganda yung swimming pool sa likuran, look. At saka kanila ito, oh, apple. Ganito talaga yung dito sa Amerika, guys. Sa Pilipinas, kapag farmer ka, sobrang hirap ng buhay. Parang pati kahit kita, lugi ka pa sa mga binibinta mo. Look, mga farmer house niyan, guys. Houses ng mga farmers. They are big, unlike the Philippines. Na-stop na naman. Look, ang mga bulaklakers. Look, maganda ito, oh. Ay, ang hangin, guys. Nag-ulan na ng ice na naman, guys. Ay, nako. Nag-stop na naman, and then babalik. Iwan ko na lang ang nangyari sa mundo. I don't know kung maririnig ninyo ako, guys. Pero yun, nandyan si Tommy. Look, ang ganda ba nito, oh. Ito ba? Maganda ito, oh. Full sun, 6 hours. Look, maganda ito, oh. Ay. Hindi ko alam kung anong hinahanap nito. Tignan natin kung anong hanap nito. Ang hangin. Mura magkaigiton ko, eh. What are you looking? How much? Huh?
4,600.
So, oh, this kind, oh. This kind, oh.
Yeah.
Napunta kami sa loob, guys. Akala ko na sa labas. Pero andito pala sa loob talaga. So, yan. So, hanapin natin kung asan talaga yung mga platform na ano. O, diba? Hanapin natin sila kasi hindi natin makita. Yan. Maganda palang mag-vlog sa cellphone kasi hindi siya masyadong halata. Kasi yung ibang tao kapag nag-vlog katingin, what is this? Hello, this is nice, love. Look, Tommy. Oh, yeah. My goodness. Okay. So, samahan natin si Mister. Sunod lang tayo. Sundan lang natin siya, guys.
Well, you should get it here when it's on clearance if they have enough of the same kind.
Ito yung hinahanap ko, yeah, but this is not what I'm looking for. Hello, this is nice. No, I like with something.
You have to get enough of them to make that.
Yeah.
It's clearance. I mean, you're not going to be able to match it.
Yeah. Box plus, guys. What? This one, oh, is nice. With gray. Oh, that one I like. How about that one? This one and this one are the same? No. Different? Different, ugly. This one is nice, guys. I like that. Box plus. But you know, you have to cut this right now.
Yes.
If
No, you put them all together. See, they fit in.
yeah.
They just fit in together.
Okay.
And then when you get to the corner, you have to cut it to whatever the corner is.
Okay. No, this is not enough. This is nicer. Home Depot it is. Usually, this is where we usually go first, but there are some reasons that we kind of like stop coming here.
Lowe's is closer, so
Yeah,
there's no.
Home
And
Depot.
then if we leave out of here and then have to go to Lowe's, then we got a left here. This guy.
Yun, naghahanap siya guys. Wala daw sila, so ngayon hanap siya. Kasi wala daw sila eh. So hanap-hanap pag may time. May mga bato oh, mga baligya. Binibinta din itong mga bato dito guys oh. Mga bato. Bato. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh, this is not, oh, it's going to turn. This is nice, hon. You can have fire here? No, it's not. Oh yeah, it's a fire pit. Oh my God, Tommy.
Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Ceiling walls.
Oh my God.
Over 5 chairs, 4 chairs.
4? Huh? 5 all?
No, it's 5-piece set, so it's 4 chairs.
4 chairs and this
So
one.
one of these chairs doesn't belong here.
I like this one. The yard.
Fire pit too.
This one is a fire too?
Yeah,
Is this going to rock? No, it's not.
same price.
I like this one
Nicer
better.
chairs.
I like this one better. Is that gas?
Yes.
Oh goodness. Han. Oh my goodness, I like that. Daming mga... That one is not a fire thing. Huh? Oh, that's real wood.
Yeah.
You can put real wood in there.
$100.
Oh my God, hon. $100.
I told you. Too much stuff. It was 144.
Oh, like that, but it's really big.
They got smaller ones too.
I'm looking for a small one because we're not... Huh? Where is it? Look at that umbrella thing. Ang bango niyang lavender na yan, oh. Ang ganda niyan, oh. Sa gabi, oh. May light ba? So now... Oh, this is nice too. Oh, yes. Because now you can... It's have a leg. No. 150. This one have a leg. Yeah. Yeah. Which one? What is that? Like it. This is the one over here. Look, that one over there. Right here. I like this one.
What, the round one?
Yeah.
I like the other one way better.
Which one? That's the triangle.
For $79.
That's the price, right?
Yeah. On sale from $115 to $79.
Okay na, can we get this?
Give me the crack.
Yay! Meron na tayong fire pit. Now we need ilog. Iba yung nabili namin guys kasi ang gusto ni Tami hindi niya nakita. So yan, ito yung nabili. Look, Tami is not happy. Hindi siya masaya kasi yung gusto niya hindi nabili. Iba yung nabili. Tignan niyo naman yan. Ang ganda ng mga kahoy oh. Ganda ng kahoy. Hopefully this will fit here.
Well, long this really sucks.
Shit, walang nabili.
Hun, what am I saying? You got something?
No, hindi ka nakabili.
Walang dilibi. No, me.
Oh my
Walang
God.
dilibi, not for me. Walang dilibu, just for you.
Tommy is not happy because he doesn't get what he wanted. Pero at least meron akong nabili. At least I got something for the party. Well, it's not for the party. It's not for the party. It's for like, you know, when Tammy and I can sit on the, how do you call that?
Deck.
It's not in the deck.
Porch.
Not in the porch. That's not for the porch.
Where are you gonna put it?
Hello, where are you going?
Where are you gonna put it on the porch?
In the yard with people, when people's around. I'm not
for the
gonna.
yard.
Huh?
That's not for the yard. It'll get ruined with the weather. It's a fire ring maybe for the yard.
Guys, inano na niya guys. In-installed na niya. Yeah, but you're not gonna put fire now because it's windy. And it's not gonna be good in the porch. I told you it's gonna be in the yard. Yan siya guys. Fireplace. It's cold. So yan, let's see kung anong hitsura nito pagkatapos. Kasi ayaw ko mag-stay dito ng matagal. It's freezing. Look. Ha? Serious?
What's this?
I don't know. Siya guys. Ganyan yung mister ko guys. Ayaw, hindi ako maka-stay doon sa ano. Kasi, you wanna get in? Monkey, you wanna get in? Come on. Good girls. Look, tignan mo yan. Look, malapit na siya. Pero sobrang hangin, no? Nahulog na nga yung ano niyan, oh. Nahulog dahil sa sobrang hangin. Nakalak siya. Nag-isip kung anong gagawin next. Kasi mahilig yan mag-ano eh. Gusto niya ng fire agad. Ganun. So, bumili din kami ng log. Yung kahoy. So, yun yung ginawa ko. Bumili kami ng kahoy para kapag gusto naming ano, yun, meron tayong kalayards. O, diba? Ito na si Mister. Yan, ito. So, we can't do this in the windy day, guys. It's nice when there's like s'moresing. S'moresing outside. Over there, oh. In that thing area. Sa my concrete area. To do s'mores. Not here, in the porch, because it's dangerous.
Let's get real wood for it.
We have real wood. Where is it? Still in the car?
That's not real wood. Those are durable logs.
Huh?
Those are durable logs. Wax logs.
We need a real wood, right?
Yeah. You know, simple food. No elaborate crap. Just hot dog burgers.
Closer here. Closer, lovely.
14 questions for couples. Who is the better dancer? Who is the better cook? Who is more affectionate? Who is more likely to get arrested? Who is more needy? Who is more of a daredevil? Who takes more dumps? Who initiates date night? Who is more friendly? Who initiates sexy time? Who orders more packages? Who's more likely to crack their phone? Who's most likely to get lost? Who spends more money?
That's it.
That was it.
14 questions.
Thanks, guys, for watching. Apparently, we're going to end this vlog now. Because now my wife is tired. And her arm is holding like this. So it's tired. You have to hold the second hand.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys.